Hello there, cheerleaders, cheer coaches, and cheer parents. It's Doc Allie again, and we are getting so close to our championship parenting seminar. Remember, it's December 6th at 3 p.m. Pacific time and 6 p.m. Eastern time. Parents, you can watch it from the comfort of your own home, or cheer gyms, have a party. Bring all your parents in, watch the seminar together, do a little Q&A, and it's close to Christmas, so it's a perfect time to have a nice cheer family gathering. To register, go to www.headgames.ws, look for the bright pink banner that says Inside Cheerleading and Head Games on it, and click register, and then just log in on December 6th. As promised, I'm still going to give you a little teaser of what we're going to talk about at the clinic. And one of the things we're going to talk about, besides mental blocks, besides cheer team dynamics, is really being mentally tough at competitions. We know that competition brings out so many nerves in so many of our cheer athletes. And there's very specific tools you can use as a parent to help your cheerleader learn to control emotions and get into their perfect mental state. And we're going to teach you how to do that at the clinic. So again, go to headgames.ws, sign up, and we're looking forward to seeing you on December 6th.